Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to discuss on how to grow Datura plant for your backyard garden. Datura is a flowering plant with beautiful white flowers. Color of flowers varies according to species, but I have Datura inoxia with white flower. Be careful while handling this plant because lot of people have seen stairways to heaven due to its high toxicity and accidental consumption. I would recommend you to wear hand gloves while handling with seeds, fruit, flowers or any part of the plant. So let's get started. To grow a plant, you will need water, soil, sunlight, and seeds. For seeds, you will need fully ripe fruit of Datura. Be careful while handling Datura fruit because it's spiky, thorny, which might hurt you if you've been careless. Unfortunately, my Datura fruit is unripe, so I'm gonna wait till it's fully ripe and dried out. Once it's fully ripe, dried, and brown color, now it's time to collect all seeds from fruit. Finally, we have some healthy seeds to plant, but we don't need hundreds of seeds, so I'm gonna store extra seeds in cold and dry place for my other experiments. Now it's time for preparing growing pots. Here I am using eco-friendly growing pots made from coconut husk, also known as coir fiber, and once plant gets sufficiently big, you can transfer it to bigger pots. Fill the pot with fine red soil mixed with little black soil, and if you wish you can add some fertilizers in it. Seeds are very tiny, so I'm gonna use forceps to implant them in soil. Make sure every seeds are few centimeters apart from one another. This will give them space to grow. Now add final layer of soil on top of it. Shake it little and make it uniform and nice. I have prepared two growing pots with same method. Each growing pot will have average 3 to 5 baby plant of Datura. Add some water to soil and make sure soil is wet, moist and uniformly in growing pots. And let the extra water drip out from bottom and remember water it daily once a day. Keep the growing pot in well lighted place with decent amount of sunlight and it will take few weeks for seeds to germinate. That's it for today. I hope you like my video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.